Welcome to this tutorial on how to open a shop in Etsy, a popular online marketplace for handmade and vintage items. To get started, you need to create an Etsy account if you don't already have one. Go to Etsy.com and click on Sell on Etsy. Then follow the prompts to register your account. Once you have an account, click on Open a Shop and choose your shop name. This will be the name that appears on your Etsy shop, and it should be unique and memorable. Next, add your profile information, including a profile picture and a bio that describes you and your shop. Now it's time to set up your shop. Add a shop banner and profile picture, and customize your shop sections. You can also add a shop announcement to let customers know about promotions or new items. To list an item, click on Add a new listing and follow the prompts to add photos, description, price, and other details. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your title and description so that customers can find your item when they search. When it comes to pricing, make sure to research your competition and price your items competitively. You should also factor in the cost of materials, shipping, and any other expenses. Etsy charges a listing fee and a transaction fee, so make sure to factor these costs into your pricing. You can also offer discounts or promotions to attract customers and increase sales. Finally, make sure to read and follow Etsy's policies and guidelines to ensure that your shop is in compliance. This includes policies on intellectual property, shipping, and customer service. By following these steps, you can successfully open a shop in Etsy and start selling your handmade or vintage items to customers all over the world.